Hi guys, we are the K&S Creations. I'm Kim.
I'm Steve.
And we are going to be doing an introduction video, as you probably would have guessed by the title of this video. So we're basically just going to talk about ourselves in this video. We're going to talk about what you can expect in the days, years, months to come. We're going to talk about what we're going to be doing and little bits and bobs like that. I have got a list of questions. If you guys can think of any other questions that you want answering, please do comment them down below and we will be sure to do a second video in the future of an updated one.
And that was Roxy, by the way.
Yeah, we do also, we'll start off basically by saying that we do have 2 pets. We know it's not art related, but we might as well now since my fiance has just mentioned it.
Yeah, because the red popped up behind us.
So we do have a Chihuahua that is 2 years old, and we have a parrot which is...
Same age.
Same age, there you go. So anyway, the first question is, how long have we been doing art? I have basically been doing art all my life since school. I think everybody's done art in school. It's about the only exam that I actually passed was my art because I was that good at it. Not really hard to pass your art, I guess, but I really enjoyed my art in school. What about you, babe?
I've been doing it all my life. My mum wanted a girl, got a boy, and she taught me everything she wanted to teach a daughter. Like knitting, cross stitch, sewing, crochet.
Yeah.
Everything else, really.
So the next question is, what or who inspired us to start doing art? You can answer this one first.
Was it you, my mum? Very pushy.
Your mum used to do a lot of crochet stuff and cross stitch. Now we actually have a lot of Steve's mum's cross stitch work, which I might actually do a cross stitch collection dedicated to his mum at some point, because we do actually have quite a few cross stitch that she's done, don't we?
Well, a small amount of it. There was absolutely loads of it.
Yeah, but we have a good collection then.
Yeah, a good collection of it, yeah.
Yeah, so we will do that little collection video at some point. So how old... Oh, hold on a minute. I've missed me out. My brother actually inspired me to do the art because he used to draw his own tattoos. He could draw anything that you wanted, especially Disney. He was very, very good at that. So yeah, I learned a lot of skills off him. And then obviously school and college. So how old are we? So I'm 35.
I'm 36.
Why did we make this channel? We basically made this channel because we wanted to inspire people with our artwork and our talents. We don't just do artwork, we do a lot of stuff, as we've said a couple of times and in the trailer. If you haven't seen the trailer, then go watch it. But it does give you an example of everything that's going to be coming, really, of everything that we're good at. We need to scratch up our skills a bit on the knitting. Not done that for a while.
And the sketching.
And the sketching. But we're going to be doing all of that with you guys, and we're all going to do it together, basically. It's going to be fun. What videos to expect? Well, again, if you go and watch the first video that is actually uploaded right now, it tells you everything on there. Yeah. Really. We're going to be getting really creative with wood. Spirography, we'll be doing pyrography. We'll be doing that. We'll be doing hand-free drawing. Freestyle drawing. I'll get it right in a minute, guys. We'll be doing adult colouring. We will be doing diamond art whips. Collections on art stuff only. Just little bits and bobs like that. Knitting, sewing, cross stitch. What else?
Well, I want to get back into model making.
Yeah, we'll be doing model making, making things from bits and bobs around your house.
Or outside. Or
outside stuff, just all sorts of stuff like that. How long have we been doing diamond art painting? I've been doing diamond art painting for 2 years solid. And when I say 2 years solid, I mean I actually do diamond painting every day without fail.
I started it 2 years ago, only did a couple. Life took me in a different direction, so I stopped doing it for a while. And for the past 4 months, I've been doing it almost every day.
Yeah.
It's been fun.
Yeah,
I love doing it.
So the next question, do we sell our artwork? We do actually sell our diamond paintings. We sell them on Facebook, and we will be eventually selling them on eBay. We have also found a shop near us that buy them off us as well, which is pretty cool. And when we get a car, we will be doing car boot sales.
Yeah.
So there we go. But that's diamond art painting.
I might do some other crafts, like for the
Car boot sale.
car boot sale.
Yeah. We may sell some other little crafts, bits and bobs, but we don't really sell any other things at this minute. Right now, as it stands, we sell a lot of diamond paintings, but we don't sell any other crafts right now.
We like making stuff for our home, really.
Yeah, we live in a flat. I suppose that could be the next information you can have about us. We do live in a 1-bedroom flat, and next year we're hoping to move into a house. So we're just making some crafts here and there for the home. Yeah, I'll show you one craft at the end of this video that I have made, actually the other day, wasn't it?
Yeah, it's a small one, but
It's a
the
small
first
one,
we've
but
done in here.
Yeah, it was really, really cool how I did it. I wish I actually filmed it for this channel, me creating that little art piece I'll show you at the end of the video, but I didn't think then.
We didn't even know we were making this channel.
Yeah, it was like an out of the blue thing. Why do we love art?
You start?
Me?
Yeah.
I love art because I have severe depression, I have severe anxiety and social phobia. So when I do my diamond painting, mostly when I do my diamond painting, it clears my mind. So that's why I love doing art, because it takes all the bad memories away, it makes me relax, it makes me nice and calm, and yeah, it helps a lot.
And I'm exactly the same, but I've also got fibromyalgia, and I can't get out much, and can't work as of yet until I'm on the right medication.
Mm-hmm.
So doing art helps stay away the boredom, and also have fun with kids.
Plus you love doing it anyway.
And I love doing it as well.
And it means we get to spend quality time with each other. Yeah. How often will we be uploading? We will be uploading one video every week for now. Most probably will be on a Thursday when we start uploading. We're going to upload this video today, so when you're seeing this video, it is going to be on... What day are we on? Sunday. So, yeah, but after today, it will be probably every Thursday that we upload a video on this channel. After a while, we will be uploading more. Again, when we do an updated video with questions and whatnot, we will let you guys know how often we're going to be uploading videos, so then you know what to look out for. Because I do have another channel that we have to think of also. And we randomly upload videos on there whenever we can. Which is quite a lot. So, the next question is, what art themes do we like?
Art themes.
Yeah, what art themes do we like? I like Disney. I'm more into the horror Disney at the minute. And horror, anything horror.
Goth.
We are basically goth. So, yes. What about you, Dan?
I'm also goth. Love metal music, so anything like that. And sci-fi. I'm a big geek as well.
Oh, we both love Star Wars.
Yes. Star Trek.
We are mad on Star Wars, Star Trek, anything Marvel.
Yep. DC.
Oh, love it.
Anime.
Definitely. Manga. I am bonkers on manga. So we will also be doing some drawings of manga. Manga drawings. If you're into that, we're going to be doing some of that eventually.
Yep.
Yeah. What crafts do we do?
Well, like Kim said before, when we go out for walks, taking dog for a walk, we find things lying around, like when going for a walk in a park.
It could be anything from leaves to pebbles. There's a thing at the minute where you paint pebbles and you hide them around parks and everything. We will be doing stuff like that. I have actually done some really good artwork on them pebbles before now and put them out for kids to find. So that was fun. What were the other things that we was on about earlier on? Not acorns.
Pine cones.
Pine cones. Yeah, we'll be doing stuff like that. We will be doing crafts videos such as how to make Halloween wreaths, Easter wreaths, Christmas wreaths, all that sort of stuff. Anything else?
Maybe a bit of building things, like making stuff from wood as well.
Yeah, we was actually talking the other day about making probably a 5-foot dollhouse. But we'll be thinking more about that next year. We'll actually be doing it next year when we get the house for our little girls' room. And the reason why we want it 5 foot is because it makes it more life size for a child. So it'll be more fun to make for us. We're going to paint it up, do it all out of wood. It's going to have real carpet in it and everything. So yeah, that's going to be fun.
That will be fun.
Going to make sure it's got a garage on the side of it and an attic room, and I'll be making all the furniture out of wood, everything. So I'm going to do that step by step. Now when it comes to diamond art painting, we will be concentrating mainly on diamond art painting on this channel.
It's our favourite thing to do.
It is one of our favourite things to do. It's nice and cheap, it's easy, and it's so fast to complete pictures, which is why we like to do it. But we will be doing whips. I will be the main one to do the whips.
I will do them every now and then.
Yeah, you will be doing them every now and then. I will talk more about what a whip is. I don't mean a good thrashing in the bedroom either. You know,
That's for another channel.
Yeah, that could be for Star Sparkle. But yeah, but we do paint by numbers. We do things like that.
Yep.
Adult colouring, we'll be doing them sort of videos. Come and colour with us if you have the same colouring book, or if not, just crack open one of your books and colour with us anyway. Have a good chit chat while we make them sort of videos.
Eventually I'll be model making once I find some good ones.
Yeah, that'll be fun.
I'm going to try and stay off the brands because they're good, but they're really small and
not worth the money.
Not worth the money for what they are, when you can get off-brand ones that are huge and have a lot to do on them.
And half the price. But the thing is, what we want to do with these models that Steve wants to get and make on camera for you guys, we actually want to hang them with visible wire from the ceiling in the living room.
Or make dioramas.
Now the thing is, if these things fall to the floor and break, then we won't be that bothered really, because it's not expensive, you know. But if we bought the real brands that would be so expensive, I'd be more pissed off.
Not just
to
that.
To say the least.
With what I want to do with them making dioramas, I have to break them to do the diorama. And I'm going to be doing like electrical stuff in them and making scenes out of them.
Yeah.
So I don't want to really be spending hundreds and hundreds on a model, spending a lot of time making it just to break it, and then make a diorama out of it, and it doesn't look very good because they're so small.
Yeah.
The branded ones.
So yeah, that's the sort of modelling thing that you'll be doing, isn't it?
Yeah.
And as we say, there will be lots of different types of art. Help me out here, baby.
Art.
There will be a lot of different types of art. We will also be having a lot of hauls coming on. And these hauls will not be your typical hauls. They will just be art. This whole channel is just dedicated to art, crafts, and just using your imagination and making things out of anything that you can find.
I even use a Warhammer too.
Why not?
Why not?
I was even talking to you the other day about making some little doll accessories for our daughter's dolls. Because I'm thinking about getting them some American dolls for Christmas. And we actually have some bubbles about that big that you have for weddings. So I was thinking about making them into proper little wine glasses for the kids, but inside them they have like liquid in, so it looks like they've got wine or champagne inside of them for the dolls. So that could be a
Obviously
something else.
not real alcohol, it's just
clearly.
fake.
It's going to be all fake. We don't want you thinking that we let our children drink, because we don't. But yeah, so that's that. I will show you the crafts the craft thing that I made. So this is it. It's just basically a little hanger. It is a pentagram, 2 pentagrams with bats on. I've basically made all this out of twine and jewellery.
And no, we're not Satanists either, before you think that. We're pagans.
We are
Wiccans.
pagan, we
Wiccan.
are goth, we are Wiccan, but we do not
Partake in Satanism.
exactly. So yeah, basically these big pentagrams was earrings. I painted the inside of them red. Obviously tied the twine on myself. This was a bracelet. And the small little bats was on another necklace and earrings. So easily made. I made it probably within about 10 minutes. Easily. I just wish that I actually filmed that for you guys, because that would have been like a really cool little project we could have done. But I didn't think at the time, so yeah. I think we've covered everything here.
Yeah.
If you guys do have any questions, please do leave them down below and we'll answer any question that you want.
Or any suggestions for anything craft or art wise.
Yeah, if there's anything that you want to see us make, or if you're struggling with homework, like your art side of it, or anything like that that you really need help with, any help that you need with diamond paintings, let us know and we'll make the videos, and hopefully it'll help you and inspire you with some ideas. So I think that's going to be it for this video. So thank you for watching, guys. We really do wish that you stick around, and we look forward to seeing your comments. And yeah, we will see you in the next video. Thank you for watching, guys. Bye.
Bye.